Good sunrise, guys. If you're wondering why I call it sunrise and not morning, link in the description. But anyway, this is my setup from last night when I got here. Yeah, the bus landed late, so it was dark when I was setting up, so hence why I didn't record myself setting it up. But basically, as you can see, I've only got, you can't see that one, but I've only got 2 pegs because I put my other pegs, my main bag of pegs, in such a good place that I can't find them back at home. So I improvised. Yeah, that'll do the job. And yeah, the triangle is the warmest I'd be able to get it, really. You can see. Yeah, I don't remember it looking that bad last night, but yeah, I've used my wash bags. Yeah, it's not tall with the wash bag, but you get the idea. Oh yeah, I had a bottle of water weighing that down. Anyway, as you can see, bin bag, roll mat for insulation, and then my sleeping bag's wrapped in my hammock to keep bugs out. My little improvised pillow and my bits and bobs to keep me warm. A little scarf and bandana and gloves, even though I didn't wear any of them, but yeah, there if I needed them. So another thing I did last night with this saw was chop down a few of these branches here. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, oh, why you chop branches down? There's no need to chop it. Yeah, there is. There's a need to chop, well, half of these trees down, really. It does dishearten me a bit to see that they've been planted all this close together and just rows and rows of them. There's just no space to breathe. All these branches are dead. And then they're alive, but their growth is stumped because energy is being put into stuff that isn't going anywhere. So yeah, I think that's going to be a job for this sunrise. Just tidy up the lights of these so I can walk through them and find myself a better spot for tonight. Let there be light.
A few moments later.
Have enough firewood. Over there I've got my branches. They might come in for my shelter building. I've also got some behind here too. Got some bad news though. When I was snapping off like these lower branches here, Oh dear, oh dear. Branches one, Jordan's old pants nil. Now needle and thread won't fix their way. So I've been walking around this forest looking for somewhere suitable to set up shelter, and I was thinking of something along these lines, trying to use the natural V in the trees to stack my branches up like that and have that as a wall. But then, so ultimately, I want to use what's in nature naturally, work alongside it with it. And then I came across this beauty. I don't know, there's blooming hundreds of trees in this forest, and it's this one that caught my eye. A little offshoot, as you can see, it's well and truly in. So I was thinking of having that as a top beam, prying it up along here to make it a bit higher, so hopefully I can walk in it, but also it'll then redirect the tree to start growing up, and then there's this pocket of open space which isn't very common in this forest. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Like, look at that, how it bends around. And then he's sort of holding him up. Ah, Mother Nature, isn't she beautiful?